Hello and welcome by Alessandro Zamboni. Today I present you the definitive course about journals, zero-content books that are selling like crazy over Amazon and many other places as well. This video course is born to show you how to create your own journals for free without spending a cent. In a 20-minute session, you can have your new journal up for sale on Amazon.com. Not too bad, right? Imagine how much of these journals you can create over 1 year, if you consider there are some who sell for $75,000 in a month and $16,000 in a month and so on. Journals are the new craze. People love to buy them and collect them. They are a tool for inspiration and they love to write on their pages. If you want to be a part of this growing niche, in this course I will show you the top 12 niches for creating hot journals uncovered, the website where you can find unlimited ideas, 4 journal niches explained step by step, how to create fantastic covers for your journals, how to publish your book on the new KDP CreateSpace area, 4 ways to sell your new journals like crazy, and much more. This is your opportunity to enter a solid niche that is growing like crazy and that you can do even if you hate to write, because it is a zero content. Don't lose the chance to have your journals listed on 3 or 4 websites and selling like crazy. Thanks and see you on the inside.